Industry 4.0, also known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, is the trend of increasing automation and data exchange in manufacturing technologies, including developments in artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and advanced robotics. The integration of advanced technologies in Industry 4.0 has the potential to bring about significant changes to the workforce. Some of these changes may include increased automation. With the introduction of advanced technologies such as robotics and artificial intelligence, many tasks that were previously performed by humans may now be automated. This could result in the displacement of some workers, particularly those in low-skilled positions. Shifting skill sets. The increasing use of technology in the workplace may require workers to develop new skills and adapt to new roles. For example, workers may need to learn how to operate and maintain advanced technology, or develop new expertise in data analysis and decision-making. Increased flexibility. Industry 4.0 emphasizes the importance of flexibility and adaptability in the manufacturing process. This may require workers to be more adaptable and willing to take on new tasks and responsibilities as the needs of the organization change. Collaboration. Industry 4.0 may also lead to increased collaboration between workers and advanced technologies. For example, workers may need to work closely with robots or other machines to complete tasks and solve problems. This may require new ways of thinking and working together. In the rapidly changing Industry 4.0 environment, workers may need to continuously learn and adapt to new technologies and job roles. To support this, organizations may need to provide ongoing learning and development opportunities that help workers stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends. This could include regular training sessions, mentoring programs, and other ongoing learning opportunities. Overall, the goal of Industry 4.0 is to create a more interconnected, intelligent, and flexible manufacturing environment.